Cancer Radiation Therapy, an exploration by Spolarich and Sloane.
Biology aspect of tumors. A tumor is a swelling of a part of the body, generally without inflammation, caused by an abnormal growth of tissue, whether being benign or malignant. Seen here is a cancerous cell. Mitosis is taking place. The cell is dividing into two daughter cells. From here, uncontrollable cellular division is taking place. Tumors form in the body from uncontrollable cellular division. In normal cells, there are checkpoints at every stage in the cell cycle to make sure that cells grow and divide in a regular way. In cancer cells, these checkpoints are broken and cancer cells grow out of control. In normal cells, cells grow and divide as a part of a natural cycle. Inside each nucleus, DNA contains the directions for this process. Sometimes the cell's DNA can become damaged. Normally, DNA responds to this by repairing itself or instructing the cell to die. But in cancer cells, the part of the cell's DNA that directs cellular division become damaged. When these sections are damaged, the DNA is unable to repair itself. Instead, the unrepaired DNA tells the cell to grow and divide uncontrollably into more damaged cells called cancer cells. Tumor cells form as cells multiply and displace normal cells. Here, a tumor on the lungs of a human body is shown. As seen, the tumor is a massive tissue which grows. Radiation therapy is a form of treatment for tumors. Radiation therapy uses high-energy radiation to shrink tumors and kill cancer cells. Radiation kills cancer cells by damaging their DNA. Cancer cells whose DNA is damaged beyond repair stop dividing and die. When the damaged cell dies, they are broken down and eliminated by the body's natural processes.
The physics behind radiation therapy. Radiation therapy uses forms of electromagnetic radiation that have short wavelengths and high frequencies. This makes for high-energy waves and particles such as X-rays, gamma rays, electron beams, or photons. These strong forms of radiation are able to destroy cancer cells. A beam of radiation is produced, monitored, and controlled by a machine called a linear accelerator. A linear accelerator works by pulsing radio frequency waves into a negatively charged metal vacuum tube. Simultaneously, an electron gun shoots negatively charged particles, or electrons, into the same tube. The waves accelerate the electrons along the tube. The radiation beam is finally created when the electrons interact with a tungsten plate and are converted to photons. These photon beams are electromagnetic waves which are directed at the patient's tumor. This concludes our investigation on radiation therapy. We hope you enjoyed it, and we encourage you to learn more. Thank you for watching.